If you want to call and set up a voicemail on Google Pixel 11, you can open the phone app. Now over here in the phone app, we should be able to switch to the keypad, and then you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. And then you should be able to, of course, check out your voicemail. You can probably follow instructions that you will hear on the voicemail to configure it, to make some changes here and there. But in case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, you cannot reach voicemail, then you can go back to the home page here, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and go to settings. Now over here in settings, find the voicemail option. Then over here you should be able to choose the SIM for which you want to check out the voicemail settings for which the voicemail doesn't work. Here open advanced settings, then choose setup, and over here we can find the voicemail number option. So you want to make sure that here we have a correct voicemail number. So in case it is incorrect or in case this field is empty, you want to try to find the voicemail number of your operator, which you can usually Google, or you can contact the operator to ask them about the voicemail number. Leave a like and subscribe.